Hi, I am Manish Kumar Rama and I am going to tell you about the overview of the project. The project entitled PLC based automatic pick and place system is the example of the automatic control system. Here in the steel and iron industries, the conventional method of the sorting of the metal and non-metal parts, we have used just handheld metal magnet are used. In this project, we have to be designed the model for the whole process are to be automatically without the human intervention. Here we can use here the ladder logic program in the PLC.
Hi, I am Prashant Kumar Verma. I am going to tell you about the hardware used in the system. Allen Bradley Pico PLC is the main device. It is L12 BWB 1760. There are metal sensor to sense the metal and conveyor belt which carry the metallic and non-metallic parts. The electromagnet, this is the electromagnet which is used to pick the metals, and there are motors to drive the conveyor belt and rotating arms. There are two push buttons, one is for start and second is for stop. There are various indicators which are used for various functions. There are relays, these are the relays, and these are the SMPS power supply.
Hi, I am Arun. I am going to tell about the process of automatic pick and place system. When the start button is pressed, the conveyor belt is start and the metallic sensor sense the metallic object and the rotating arm pick the metallic object and place over there where we want. And when non-metallic object is placed over the conveyor belt, metallic sensor not sense the metallic material and the object are placed over there where we want.
Hi, my name is Siram Sahu and I am going to tell you about some monitoring and controlling softwares used in industries. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System. SCADA software used in our system is InTouch version 10, Wonderware. It is the graphical representation of the process. Here it shows the electromagnet, some forward motor, electromagnet, storage for metals and non-metals. Various indicators are there as used in hardware, and it is the script writing. It is the initialization of the program, and it is the main program. After some time it will show. It is the main program of the script writing. It is done by script writing. There are two methods, script writing and manually, but we are using script writing here for our simplicity. Suppose anybody run to the software, it will ask to the licensed and various things. After that, the procedure will start and it will communicate with the hardware to the field. When start button is pushed, suppose the metal is there in the conveyor belt. If anybody stops the process, it will stop at the instance. Indication will also be stop, and again it will be started. When it's sensed by metal sensor, the forward motor come to pick the metals, and electromagnet will energize after some time. There it is, and it will pick to the metal and place to the desired place, and the motor will reverse back to its initial position. Here the indication is also refers to the control room. Suppose this time conveyor belt, on the conveyor belt the non-metal is there, and it will not sensed by the sensor, and it will drop to the storage of non-metals. This is as we are using the lower version of Pico PLC, so we could not be able to communicate our software to the hardware one. But as we go to the further micro PLCs, we could be able to communicate our hardware in the field to the software in the control room.
Hi, I am Ajay Garg and I am going to tell you about the advantages of the system. As we in the manual labor of the system is reduced, the efficiency of the system is increased. The efficiency of the system is increased by this process, and the risk factor in the industries are reduced. As far as the future scope is concerned, the efficiency of the system is increased by increasing the magnetic strength of the magnetic material. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
This is our lab, where we build our field.